You don't need somebody wish list to pick out a memorable Christmas gift for them. You just need a little inspiration from thoughtful treats and best-selling products to big ticket sprinkles. We have rounded up some of favorite things to give this holiday season. We have found this thing for very type of person too, and every price point. Our favorite wildest airports of the year, the next gen AirPods Pro come with even better noise cancellation and a more streamlined design, the perfect Christmas gift for music lovers. Choose between 4-ear tip sizes and enjoy a full 6 hours of listening time on a single charge. You have got both sound and a blinking light alert just in case you have misplaced your pods. If karaoke was not already popular enough pre-pandemic, the month of quarantine made it an almost essential activity to keep us occupied and sane. And while karaoke bars may be opening up again, there's nothing quite like having friends over singing sesh at home. We like this karaoke machine from Singerstein which gets you microphone, mic stand, device holder and a control panel with 10 different vocal effects plus sound effects and lightning effect too. Pair your phone or tablet to the system and pull your favorite tunes and you are going to go all night long. If you are getting someone their report vacuum and want one from trusted name, we recommend iRobot's Roomba 694. It uses a three-stage cleaning system and multiple brushes to diligently clean hardwood, tile and carpet floors, including dust that accumulated around the edge of your room. If its sensor detects a lot of dirt in a particular area, the 694 will focus on it before moving into a different spot. It will recommend different cleaning modes and recurring schedule based on different events like allergy season or your dog is shedding. Hook it up to Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant for totally hands-free scheduling. The Roomba 694 can last up to 94 per charge, so it can clean multiple rooms before vacuuming to its dog. The best Christmas gift for your workaholic friend. Rolling Stone tea. Know a weed lover? Get them this Rolling Stone tea, a humorous take on the original Rolling Stone logo. 100% cotton has fixed relaxed weight and is marketed as unisex, so you can buy it for anyone or your gifting list. From low and slow to get and fast, Grilling the Home Depot is your one-stop shop for gift for all the grill heads in your life. Outdoor cooks will love the Traeger Pro Series 22 pellet grill, which is folded by hardwood pellets and controlled with a digital controllers, so you get consistent results every time. Dual meat probe simplifies checking internal meat temps, but you don't have to worry since the grill keeps the internal temperature within plus minus 15 degree Fahrenheit for super precise cooking anyways. But we like the robust body style is stable while remaining